I'm Miss Vicki with the Kootenai County Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very, very special Thanksgiving themed treat called pumpkin pie in a cup. This is a simple, no-bake recipe that requires 5 ingredients: pumpkin in a can, pumpkin spice, whipped cream, graham crackers, and marshmallow fluff. But you can replace this with vanilla pudding or with vanilla yogurt if you're feeling a little bit more healthier. And we also have a coconut milk yogurt if you want to have a vegetarian treat. So that's all you need to make pumpkin pie in a cup, and if you come a little bit closer, I will show you how. The first step to making pumpkin pie in a cup is to take our can of pumpkin, get a nice heaping spoonful, and plop it right into a bowl. Now I like using at least 2 spoonfuls to have a nice big dessert. Alright, so you see that we have our pumpkin in the bowl. Next thing you do is you take your marshmallow fluff. Now this is very, very sticky. I recommend you using at least 2 spoons for this one. You want to get a nice big scoop of fluff. Plop that in. Basically, I like having only slightly less marshmallow than pumpkin, but only just. The marshmallow is what's going to give the pumpkin a flavor and bind it together a little bit. So this means after that, you want to mix it good. Marshmallow fluff can be a little bit of a pain because you'll have a lot of these little bits and they'll start coming apart a little bit. Whereas vanilla pudding and yogurt, they'll mix much more easily. However, I do like the stickiness in the marshmallow fluff, and I had leftovers from a previous treat, so there we have it. Just give it a good old mix. Make sure all the pumpkin is incorporated and all the marshmallows mixed in. Try to get it all in a scoop. Next, you add your pumpkin spice. Just a little sprinkle. You don't want to have too much, otherwise you'll have a really fiery mouth. You do not want things too spicy. Spice is nice, but only in small quantities. Alright, get that all mixed in. Fantastic. Next thing I'm going to do is you want to take a graham cracker, put it in a plastic bag or a bowl with a spoon, and just crush them up. Crush them into dust. It's a shame we don't have smell-o-vision, because I can definitely smell the pumpkin and cinnamon happening here. Alright. Next, you're going to take your cup or bowl, whatever you're eating out of. Fill it with graham crackers. This is going to serve as your crust. I like having some big chunks of graham cracker in there, just a little bit of texture. But if you like a fine dusting, that's cool too. Next thing you're going to do is add your pumpkin. It smells very, very good. I can't wait to eat this. Just keep spooning the pumpkin in. That's why I ask you to put 2 scoops instead of just 1. You want to make sure you have a lot more pie than you have graham cracker. Otherwise, you might as well just be eating a cookie. Which is all well and good, but it's less pie-like, isn't it? Beautiful. Alright, so you see we have a little bit of a crust layer, and then we have a pumpkin layer, and the only thing left to add is whipped cream. Just a little scoop at the top. I'm a very slow whipped creamer. And there you go. That's all you need to do to have pumpkin pie in a cup. And now you get to enjoy it. So good. So I hope you're able to use this recipe and make your very own pumpkin pie in a cup treat this Thanksgiving. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.